Hi, Dr. Q and Joey Lynn here from Star Nursery. We want to let you all know that our Christmas trees have started arriving this week in our stores.
And we would like to show you what to look for when shopping for a Christmas tree and how to take care of it when you get it home. When the trees arrive at our stores, we do our best to keep them cool and moist so they stay fresh.
We try as much as possible to keep them in the shade or covered so that they are not in the direct sun. They are sprayed with water at least twice a day, and we display most of the trees in water stands to keep them fresh.
When deciding where to place a tree in your home, there are a couple of issues to consider. If you put your tree where there's a lot of air movement, like near an air vent or an entrance, it will dry out much faster. This is also true if it's in a hot location, such as south or west facing windows or near a fireplace. You also don't want it in a high traffic spot where people are constantly brushing up against it.
Measure the spot you have selected to put the tree so that you won't have to guess if your tree will fit. If you have large ornaments, you may want to look for a tree with more spacing between the branches. Check for the freshness by running your fingers through the branches. Very few green needles should drop off, and the branches should all be very flexible. A few inner brown needles are natural, and you should not be too concerned.
When you purchase your tree, we will make a fresh cut on the base of the trunk to allow for better water uptake. And we will put a plastic bag around it to prevent wind damage or needle drop when you take it home. Once home, place the tree in water immediately. Most trees can go 6 hours after cutting the trunk and still will take up water.
The sooner you get it into water after being cut, the better your chances are for keeping it from drying out too quickly. Always keep an adequate supply of water in the tree stand and use a tree preservative to help keep the pores of the trunk open.
Once you're finished with your tree, don't just throw it away, recycle it. It will be chipped into mulch to be used in one of our community parks or gardens. For more recycling information, visit the Conservation District of Southern Nevada's website.
Remember, Star Nursery is your local Christmas tree supplier. Look for other holiday specials at starnursery.com or on our free app.
And don't forget, we make house calls. Stop by your local Star Nursery location or call 702-771-7827 to make an appointment. Star Nursery, your garden's partner for every bloomin' thing. I'm Joey Lynn.
And I'm Dr. Q. And from all of us here at Star Nursery, have a safe, happy, and colorful holiday season.